The mindset that cybersecurity has given me, it's taught me a lot about patience and focusing. It's given me real world experiences that I can actually use to help people. It's not just like it stays in the classroom and I can't really use it anywhere else type of thing.
I've taught LJ for 4 years now. I've actually known him a little longer than that, since he was a 7th grader, but I've seen him grow tremendously as an individual. Now he's developed into a leader in the classroom, a leader around the school.
Coach Kelly saw me, and he just swooped me up from there. My freshman year when I first started, I was like, whoa, this is a lot. But as time progressed, I learned more.
What attracted me about cybersecurity for our students in Talladega County is the fact that the job market is so readily available for students right out of high school. Digital Promise came aboard and said, we will be working with you guys to select 10 districts across the nation, and it is paying already great dividends for students.
I did an internship at Talladega College. Now we're in Cyber 3. We're getting into, the more advanced things, how to make your own type of malware. Well, not like bad ones. It's really just like how to make it so you know how to defend it. So you can actually protect them.
We're not just learning from the book. The best thing about it is to literally have our students hands-on. As I'm touching computers, they touching computers, we're breaking down things, we're hacking, we're coding, we're trying to solve problems. LJ is not only leader in the interns from the high school, he also leads my college interns. Before you know it, he has taken the conversation, and I'm just looking at him like, okay. So yeah, he is a leader.
There is a need for cybersecurity. No matter where I go, cybersecurity is going to be a job, and it's going to be there. 9th grade me would look at, senior me now, and they'd be like, wow, we actually figured this out. But I'm glad, I stuck with it and got to this point. I love this. This is what I want to do.